Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt tensioner on Toyota Yaris. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. It's located right there. There is a plastic cover that you need to remove in order to access it, and that's the tensioner right there. First we need to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise in order to loosen the belt, and then we can remove the belt. Now that the tensioner is turned anti-clockwise, we can see that the belt is loosened and we can remove the belt. Now that the belt is removed, we can remove the tensioner. The tensioner is held by two bolts, one on top and one on the bottom. First I'm going to show you the bolt on top. The bolt is right there. We're going to remove that first, and then we're going to go to underneath the car and remove the bottom bolt. The socket that I'm using for the bolt is size 12 socket. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the top bolt out. Now we're going to go underneath the car and remove the bottom bolt. That's the water pump right there, and on the left of it is the tensioner. That's the tensioner right there, and the bolt that we're going to remove is that one over there. Now that the bolt is removed, we can take out the tensioner. And that's the tensioner out. Now we can replace the tensioner or just replace the pulley. If you want to only replace the pulley, you just need to remove that bolt for the pulley and just remove the pulley and put a new one on. And then we can put the tensioner back in the same way. Now I'm going to put the tensioner back on. Again, I will put it in its place and tighten, put on the two bolts and tighten them. After we put on the two bolts, then we can put on the serpentine belt, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.